The first port of call is to consider the three parts of the lender's handbook. I'm also mindful that there are some smaller building societies that operate under the Building Society Association mortgage instructions. I don't consider those instructions in any great depth in this presentation. Broadly, the instructions mirror those in the handbook, but there are some differences which time doesn't permit me to explore. Moving next to the provisions of Section 121 of the Law of Property Act 1925. This is a rather cumbersomely worded provision, but subsection 1 of this section sets out the type of payment to which Section 121 applies. So this applies to any entitlement of a person to receive out of land or out of the income of any land an annual sum, whether payable half-yearly or otherwise, whether charged on the land or the income of the land, and whether by rent charge or otherwise. And under Section 121, the person entitled to receive that annual sum would have remedies provided for under the section. The next case is the 1418 Dunstan's Road case. This was a case which I've included in this presentation, particularly in the light of the aspect of the handbook 5.6.1, which states that the title to the property must be good and marketable, free of any restrictions, covenants or encumbrances which might reasonably be expected to materially adversely affect the value of the property or its future marketability, but excluding any matters covered by indemnity insurance. Now, the interesting point about the Richards case is it involved numbers 141 and 141A Dunstan Road.